Hi guys, the aim of this screencast is to show you what I can do with the functions in the attributes toolbar. But first of all, what are attributes? So as you can see, I have a vector layer in the layers menu. It's this blue points layer. You'll have to believe me. These are many points. I zoom in to show you. I think now you can believe me. And now let's select a few of them. A few of them. See, they are now yellow, they are selected. Each point here is a row on the attributes table. I now open the attributes table. We're going to use the attributes toolbar, and I can look at it in the way of a table, and if I press here, these are the selected points, the blue ones. Every point is a row here. I can change the selection. Now there is only one selected line. And if I go back here and I zoom to selection, you can see there is only one selected row. And after all of that, if I push on this info icon and select a point, I'm getting the information from the attributes table of that row. And the numerous number of calculation that I can do in this table, these are all functions I have inside this calculator. I can calculate things and put them as new columns in that attribute table. So that's the calculator here. I can open the toolbox, but this is now abandoned because the toolbox was a way to get into function you don't know where they are located in the menus, but now you can just type here and see the same thing. You can calculate statistics. If I push this, and that's my layer, and let's select the field, let's say the W field, I can get the statistics of that field. I have 152,000 rows in the table. The median value for W is 5.6, etc., etc. So that's the general statistics too. I can quickly open the attributes table through that menu. I can measure distance on the map. And actually that's it. Thank you.